I want veggies in my garden now. How do I do it?
Well, we have to kind of be patient just a little bit. These guys are summer veggies, so they like it hot and they like lots of sun. So things like our crookneck squash or the cucumbers, the peppers, our tomatoes, even our little okras back here, they like it really, really hot.
Okay. And that's why you've got a greenhouse full of them where they're protected.
That's right.
So hang on to those for a bit.
Yes.
All right. What can I plant?
Well, you can plant all the lettuce, all the kale that's left over from winter.
Beautiful lettuces.
It is gorgeous.
Kale you'd mentioned, okay.
Yeah. So what's going to happen is these guys are going to get hot. You're going to get one more good harvest off of them, but they're going to get hot and they're going to bolt. Okay. And so you can leave your kale and your lettuce whenever it gets really hot, let them bolt, because the little flowers that they give are good for the pollinators to attract to your garden and help you pollinate your tomatoes.
Okay, so don't get rid of it when you see that.
Don't get rid of it just yet.
Right. All right. And then we come down here.
Some more kale, spinach, Swiss chard. These are all really great winter veggies. I think we have some broccoli left. These are all more winter veggies. So probably 1 or 2 more harvests and then they'd be done when the heat hits.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we come down here. We've got onions and celery.
That's right. So we grow our own celery. Celery is quite hard to find. But we grow our own celery. It's organic. All of the vegetables that we seed here, that we grow here ourselves, that we're supplementing what we get, are all organic. Okay. So that's really nice. And you can grow celery all year round.
Oh, that's great to know. Well, this guy's going to go home with me today. Yay. Celery. So I'm excited about at least getting something in the ground. I'm going to do lettuce in my celery. So we can get started now. Just be careful with any of your more spring type veggies.
That's right. If it drops below 40, just grab your tomatoes, grab your zucchini, cucumbers, put them inside for the night.
Okay. Yep. All right. Well, thanks very much. Let's load up the veggies.